fuck are you doing? Come on, speed up, because he's going to fucking go in that gap, I bet you. Oh, what? Fuck me, I should get money for fucking palm reading and stuff, because I'm bloody psychic, you see. Always some arsehole going in a gap if you leave it here. Because they're much too important to sit in the queue like the rest of us. What the fuck are you doing? Don't just drift across in front of moving vehicles, you fucking old cunt. Now I'm halfway into another lane because I was trying not to hit him. Two people trying to pull out on the poor cyclist. Whoa, ho, ho, we nearly had that cyclist there. Ah, the usual colossal clusterfuck that is the Blackwall Tunnel. And already we have this one in front that cut in front of that silver van. When he was in the wrong lane. Forwards. Fucking go, you cunt! Fucking wanker. Parker Street, yeah. Right indicator on, makes a left, nearly takes out the cyclist with him. Great job there, mate. Great job. Don't try and pull out there. Merge as you drive down. Fucking idiots. How many people are we going to get stuck behind that are trying to jump in the queue at the last minute, eh? Is it you? Are you going to be one of those people? Fucking knew it. A white BMW, of course you're a wanker. What the fuck are you doing? The fuck is that? Yeah, better be sorry. Fucking pulling stupid manoeuvres like that. Retard. The stupid thing as well is the lane we're in now will take you to exactly the same place. So there is no need for any of that. Dickhead. What the fuck? Up my arse the whole time I was next to that truck and then through a red light. One absolute piece of shit. I've just realised I don't know if it's coming up on the camera. The person in front has got their phone up on the dashboard, like you do when you're using the sat nav, but they're fucking watching TV or something on it. What a movie playing? Are you fucking serious? It's so dangerous.